Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at this really cute little reverb pedal here. Reverb pedals are one of my favorite pedals that are on the market. It's my favorite effect. I absolutely love it. You can get so many rich, awesome sounding reverbs from different pedals, and this one is no exception. Comes in at a really great price. It's the AZOR reverb pedal, and look at this cute little character on here. And it comes with the K tone and mix, in and out, 9 volt. And let's take a listen. So this is my true bypass. So pretty boring. Let's go ahead and hit the reverb and see what we get. Oh, there we go. Wow, that is just so awesome. Reverb just makes you want to play different. It just, you hold your notes longer. It accentuates everything. It's just amazing.
Someone is at the front door.
Just amazing. Let's go ahead and mess with this a little bit. Let's turn the mix up. Let's turn the decay down. It's lasting a little too long for me. So it sounds really great. You even have a tone so you can brighten it up. Beautiful. Wow, just listen to that. Let's turn the decay up a little bit. That'll be the last example I give you. I mean, that sounds beautiful. What a great reverb pedal. Absolutely love this. Definitely going on my board. Really unique reverb sound and cute little pedal, and came in at an amazing price. This is a must-have, you guys.